Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many of us have faced: blocked ears. Whether it's due to wax buildup, sinus congestion, or changes in air pressure, a blocked ear can be uncomfortable. But fear not, because today, I'll be sharing some effective and safe methods to open a blocked ear right at home. So let's dive in. Warm compress. First up, we have the warm compress method. This is a simple and gentle way to ease ear congestion. All you need is a clean cloth and warm water. Applying a warm compress can help soften earwax and alleviate congestion. Give it a try, but if your symptoms persist, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. Ear drops. Next on our list are ear drops. You can find over-the-counter ear drops or make your own at home using a few readily available ingredients. Ear drops can be a game changer when it comes to unblocking your ears. However, make sure to follow the instructions carefully and avoid using them excessively. Jaw exercises. Now, let's talk about jaw exercises. Believe it or not, certain movements can help open up the eustachian tubes, promoting better drainage. Give these jaw exercises a shot. They might be just what you need to get that stubborn ear unblocked. Remember, consistency is key. Gravity-assisted techniques. Last but not least, let's explore some gravity-assisted techniques. These involve tilting your head in specific directions to encourage the drainage of fluids from the ear. These techniques might feel a bit unconventional, but they can be surprisingly effective. Just take it slow and be gentle to avoid causing any harm. And there you have it, a few natural and safe methods to open a blocked ear at home. Remember, if your symptoms persist or worsen, it's crucial to seek professional advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Take care of your ears, and I'll see you in the next video.